Just thinking. Yellow shirt, right? And I'm listening. Grammarly. Where is the period? It's at the end of the sentence. Could be also the end of the sentence that ends the paragraph. Could be that time of the month. What color is the period? What color are the letters? Have they been highlighted? In what manner do I make any sense? Do I go to work and make dollars? But do I put construction of my mind to use my sense to turn it into dollars? Because isn't that the way they talk in business? You can build up the nickels and pennies and turn them into dollars. So when someone offers you something of sense, usually you take it, and sometimes you take it for granted. What is the alternate understanding of what makes sense? In the paragraph, of the context, of the chapter, of the book, of a segment of the book, of a paragraph, of the sentence in a phrase, to understand deeper and to look beyond, to build a puzzle, and to say to yourself, between the brick wall and the brick wall and the brick wall and the brick wall, there's something missing. Could be bricks missing, could be bricks missing with a hole that passes through the bricks. Could be a puzzle piece that's missing, that there's a tree in front of those bricks. You don't know. You can only assume and sit by the round table saying to yourself, is he right? Is he right? Oh, his makes the most sense, or hers makes the most sense. In reality, you could put anything that satisfies your mind. But when you think a little bit deeper and know that there were birds flying above the brick wall, that there was a hunter in the background and it was duck season, how do you know that in front of that brick, or the pieces that are missing in between all these bricks, is not a falling duck? How do you know when someone speaks the words that there's more, because that's what you want to believe? And what do you know what I know? And if you started with me, we all started to build a trench to pass water. We all knew it was good to pass the water. We all knew at the same time, if we built that trench, there could be flooding, but there can be directed flooding to follow the trench, not to run into the houses. But we never had a flood, so why did we ever build the trench? We build things, we protect ourselves, we put on hard hats, we tie ourselves to the roofs, obviously not by your neck. We put bumpers on cars, we put seatbelts in the cars. Everything took science to create. It took life and what has happened in life to think in advance, to be proactive. And it always costs us money. And then we go and we want more money on our paycheck. Well, sometimes in life, certain things get in the way, and certain things that get in the way actually help and alter for a better effect, for a stronger effect. Because when you're all united, you want to make sure that if you can spend the least, alter the effect for a stronger effect. Because it all may make sense to this one and this one and this one. But when I say to color, you color because you want the action and you want the dollar. You want full value. When you go out to work and you work on contract, you want full value for your contract. If the contract couldn't be completed, that's one thing. If the contract was canceled, then there's a cancellation clause. If the contract that was canceled with no cancellation clause, or it's not allowed to be canceled, there should be payment due to he who they or she who has lost the ability to have that gain to replace that time. What is that value? There's a fly on the wall, and everybody's moved away from the wall. In fact, everybody is concentrating on the fly on the wall as I hear the sink dripping from the faucet. Must be a crane faucet, because it's dripping, and everybody hears each drop with thunder. The fly on the wall, as it rains, I hear the thunder from the faucet. Raphael, back to the floor and paint. Thank you for watching this video.